Commercial freeze dryer turkey is widely used in the Turkish market. Turkey's catering industry is very developed. There are many Turkish kebab restaurants with the commercial freeze dryer turkey. Meat products, cheese, yogurt, and so on can be freeze dried to retain their nutrients and stored for a longer time. Compared with home freeze dryers, commercial freeze dryers are larger and have higher capacity. The commercial freeze dryers turkey are used in small food processing factories, large restaurants, small biological companies, healthcare product companies, nutritional product companies, and small pharmaceutical companies. Generally speaking, the processing capacity of commercial freezing dryers is generally more than 20 kilograms or 50 kilograms. Kemolo's commercial freeze dryers are already being used by many users in Turkey. If you also need to build a free-dried food production factory in Turkey, you can use high-quality commercial freeze drying equipment supplied by Kemolo.